Welcome everyone. We are Skinwin. Uluç, Naz, Manuel, Agnieszka, Philip, and Simon. We were operating in Belgium industry during the simulation, and we will present a wrap-up about our firm, strategies, and what we learned during the simulation. In the third year of industry, our firm Skinwin was at third place according to SPI with a value of 1.5, while Rasmus was the industry leader with 1.6 XPI. When we look at the previous periods, we can see that our firm was having a steady increase in SPI and keeping up with the general upwards movement in industry. When we look at the market shares as value, we can see that the close competition going on for leadership, in which we were standing at third place with a 19% market share, that is just 2% below the market leader Rasmus. Looking at the data and results available in period 3, we conducted a SWOT analysis for our firm. At period 3, we had two products called Sing and Silk. The most important strengths of our firm came out to be our Sing products leadership in high earners, high awareness of Silk product in two different segments, therefore its flexibility to shift, both products high brand awareness within target segments, and finally our dynamic R&D department as a result of previous experience we have within our team. For our weaknesses, the most important points came out to be our limited production planning knowledge, lack of shelf space for our Sing product, no presence in the low-income segment, which is the second highest segment, and nitrites market being a completely unknown market by our firm. For the opportunities in the market, the most important points came out to be the fast growth of single segment, profitability and loyalty of high earners segments, which we are already operating in, medium income segment being untapped and having no competitors that are trying to reach high earner segments. Finally, for the threats, the most important points came out to be having numerous players in single segments, the slow growth of high earner segments, private labels and new entrants occupying low income segment, and our narrow product portfolio leading to low diversification in our firm. With the help of the available data and our SWOT analysis results, we made a confrontation matrix to decide on our firm's future strategy and objectives. We set our strategy as follows. For the current product Silk, we were targeting medium income and single segments, while for Sing, we were targeting high earners and affluent families. We decided to run R&D projects to modify these products, and with this we decided Silk to focus on singles only, while Sing focus on high earners only. In addition, we decided to develop two new products named Silo and Sif. Silo will be targeting the low-income segment, while Sif will be targeting affluent families segment. We decided not to have any product targeting medium income as it is the least attractive segment. With these, we will be addressing all segments except medium income. Finally, for the nitrites market, we decided to enter the market by developing a new product called Suno that will target the elderly segment, which is expected to become the biggest segment in the nitrites market. In light of these, we set our objectives in clinites market to become market leader both in terms of value and volume through high brand awareness and purchase intentions. On the other side, we set our objective in nitrites market to lead the elderly segment with the help of high purchase intentions. After setting our objectives and acting towards them with our strategy, we reached the following results in period 8. We can see the increase in our share price and managed to reach second place within our market with 3.5. Our market share in terms of value in the clinites market was only 19% in third period, is now the second highest after Rasmus with 29%. When it comes to nitrites market, our product was not as successful as we finished third place with a market share in terms of value of 21% and placed third in the market. In addition to these, 3 of our products, Sing, Silk, and Suno, ended up in the top-selling brands list based on retail sales. One of the biggest learnings of this project was to learn how to efficiently work as a team to reach our goals. We had to make difficult choices from time to time and sometimes had to compromise. We learned how to make cost-effective decisions to get our money's worth. Even though sometimes it was tempting to go for the easier option, we always focused on the bigger picture by developing customer needs into account and always trying to answer these. While trying this, we also learned the importance of data-driven decision-making in developing and dynamic markets. We learn the strategic decision-making process of a firm by taking multiple aspects into consideration, like competitors, customer habits and preferences, market data, research and development, production, marketing, commercialization, and all related costs while having solid budget constraints. Finally, we learn not to be afraid of taking calculated risk to reach our goals. Thank you very much for your attention. To conclude, we would like to address the questions that you may have concerning our presentation.